it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I'm going to start this little mini series like what's in the box. I have so many diamond paintings that I have purchased over the last probably 9 months. And with the pregnancy, they just kind of got put on hold. So they're just sitting on this top shelf, and I don't even know what's in the boxes anymore. I mean, I may know the company it's from, but I don't know what I ordered. And who knows in my dilapidated pregnancy mind setting what it is. I do know that the one I want to open today is from Captured by Radiance. This is a brand new company out of Canada, and I can't wait to buy more of her products if it's everything I've seen it be so far on within the YouTube and Facebook diamond painting community. So I did receive it. It was in a white box, and then it had this in it. And then it also had this. And so we're just going to figure out what this is. So it's an 80 by 60, and it's Sunset Lighthouse, and it is all licensed work. This one's from Dominic Davidson, and it is round. Okay, so I think that's why here, Captured by Radiance, they put a sticker on here, your masterpiece of weights, and here down here is I'm also going to put a link down below, but here's the capturedbyradiance.com. And I do love that it's out of Canada. Okay, so it looks like it was taped on the top so that it stays closed. So we're going to undo this tape. Now, the way I have my camera set up right now, I'm going to be holding it up for you guys. I will take a couple close-up pictures. Oh, lovely. We're going to go through that in a few minutes. We'll take a couple close-up pictures. Oh, look at this. It's in a organza bag. Stunning. Nothing else in the box. That's new. I haven't seen that before. So it is protected in this organza bag. It does have, if you can see, it's pretty solid canvas that they're using. It's kind of like a felt feeling. It does have the stitching, so if it does start to fray, it's not going to fray all the way. So I just got 3 organza bags. Okay, so here are, oh my goodness, look at that. How beautiful. So the ABs are included inside. And look how the packaging is. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so we'll look at that in a minute. So this is 46 colors with 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. It does have your key right here on the side with your DMC and your symbols. Down here at the bottom, you'll see that it has all the social media outlets, and then your masterpiece awaits is the company's tagline. And this is a wonderful person out of Canada. Love her to death. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I turned the bright by accident. Okay, so look at how beautiful this is. You can actually see out here, this looks like a person fishing. The bird up in the air, this is the lighthouse. Right. And then this beautiful house right here. Now, what I like to look at with new companies is how did they render it? So although it looks dark, I'm going to take a picture close up for you guys and insert it in here. The rendering looks pretty good. It looks like there's some color blocking, but there's also some great blending. It doesn't pick great up on the camera from my computer. It just looks kind of like all one color, but I'm very anxious to start this. You'll see in the picture there are no dummy circles. Dummy circles are when there's a circle around the actual symbol. And there's no dummy circles, which you'll see in the picture I post. I love that. So when I put things down, there's not the black or the white circle around it. I also love that the colors look like they're very similar to the DMC color. So when it does come out around the circle, because unlike squares, which line up right next to each other, the circle, you're going to see some color around it. The color will pop through, and then from a distance, it makes it look even better. So I'm very excited to start this Dominic Davidson. So absolutely gorgeous. The only thing I don't see on here is an actual thumbnail picture on the canvas. They do have what they call snap insurance, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Let's roll this up. What did I say? So we can look at some of the other things. With newer companies, I like to look at every single thing in the box. All right, so we're going to look at... So it did come with a sheet like this. What I like to do is make a photocopy of this sheet, and then I run this through my sticker maker. That's what goes on all of my little Harbor Freights. It does have a picture here. Usually I will take this picture and put it on the Harbor Freight lid so I know that those go with it. I do love that it shows you all the licensing so you know it's legitimately the artist is being paid. So we're going to look at, they are not in numeric order, which is fine with me. But look at, can you see through the bags? Like, there are no trash. I'm getting up close and personal with you. No trash in there. Absolutely gorgeous. Very vibrant. Like, this is 224. Like, even the browns, like the 300, very vibrant colors. Right there, that is 402. This is your 3756. Always has a tint of green to me, so when I get it and I'm like, oh, that's the wrong color, it's not the wrong color. It's supposed to be that way. It gives it depth. Many times I'll see that color for snow. And then let's look at the ABs. There are 4 ABs. We've got some gray ABs, some green, some golden, like, I always think of marigolds for that color. Was it 742? And then your 5200. And then she sent these. So I don't know if this was like in case you wanted to upgrade even more. She sent some more ABs. So I know 210 is in here. 208 is not. So this must have just been like a Hey, White Glow, White AB, $9.95. So these must have just been like, hey, I also offer these as well. Beautiful ABs. Absolutely gorgeous. For my stash. Love it. Check them out. I know that she has been doing events with Lizzie's World of Gems. I know that there's been a couple like sale codes going out there. Definitely check her out, because so far what I see is quality, quality, quality. And then I will say it's a little overkill for a toolkit. I wonder if she ran out of small ones. That's okay. So here is the card, captured by Radiance. Your masterpiece awaits. There's a thank you code for 10% off my next purchase. Let's see here. There's a sticker. Cute sticker. And then you've got your tray. I love that they added tweezers. You've got your single placer. You've got some blue wax. And then you've got a squishy. And then you've got a 4 placer and a 7 placer. And I like that they're the thin ones. I don't like the thick ones. So great job. The wax is the blue wax. I am using a yellow wax right now. It seems to be a little bit firmer than the pink wax. All right, so check them out. I can't wait. I'm going to go take some pictures of this so I can put them in the video for you, which you've already seen by the time you got to this video. But great job. Can't wait to try it out. Hope to try it out before the end of the new year. Beautiful work. Always love Dominic Davidson. But yeah, this is the lighthouse. I have a Chuck Henson lighthouse and I have a Dominic Davidson lighthouse. Absolutely so excited. I love lighthouses. I don't collect them, but my mother-in-law loves them and they just, I don't know, they just appeal to me. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I will be back shortly with another What the Heck Did I Purchase in the Box video. So be blessed. Bye-bye.